Hey everybody, I'm in front of 8304 Lonesome Spur Trail in McKinney, Texas. This is part of the Craig Ranch community. This home's going on the market on Friday, May 5th. Let's go take a look at it. Okay, we've just done a lot of updates to this house. On your right, you're going to notice the dining area has brand new luxury vinyl planking. The stairway has brand new carpeting going up, and all the bedrooms upstairs and down have new carpeting. Fresh interior paint in here, so it's nice and bright. Got a huge kitchen, tons of counter space, tons of cupboards, nice size island. Fresh luxury vinyl planking in the living space here with a gas starter fireplace. I love this pantry. You got to take a look at this pantry here. You come in here and look how deep that is. That is a big, big pantry. Then you've got your utility room here, a good sized utility room going to the garage. Come over here to a half bath. To the master bedroom. Nice sized master bedroom. Like I said, brand new carpeting in here. Good sized master bath with separate garden tub and shower. And take a look at this closet. What a nice size closet. You got built-in shelving on two sides. But yeah, huge closet. Everybody should love that. As you come to the top of the stairs, you got a nice spacious gaming area. Got a variety of uses for that. You have attic storage there and attic storage on this side. To this side, you have a separated bedroom. It's a really good sized bedroom, nice sized closet. Coming back across the stairway area, you've got two more bedrooms. Another good sized bedroom here, and that one has a walk-in closet. You do got a linen storage closet here. Full bath. Another storage closet, and the fourth bedroom. So you got three bedrooms up, master down. I believe this one's a walk-in closet. Yes, it is a walk-in closet here also. Actually goes around the corner a little bit. So that concludes your tour of 8304 Lonesome Spur Trail here in Craig Ranch in McKinney, Texas. We're going on the market. Like I said, Friday, May 5th at $450,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little over 2,500 square foot home. If you got questions about this home or the general real estate market here in northern Dallas, Texas, please give me a call. My name is Guy Arnold. I'm your go-to guy for DFW real estate. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel because I want to have more homes coming. We've got another home coming up in Frisco here in a couple weeks, another one in McKinney. So I've got a lot of homes to tell you about, market updates for you, and sometimes some Texas barbecue tips too. But make sure you subscribe. But if you got questions about this house, please get a hold of me, 469-247-5226. And there's more information in the description in this video.